My luscious world is no longer beguiling. Savages ravage what once was succulent and green. They erase any trace of my past and annihilate the path to my future. To these monsters, my life is inconsiderable. I am insignificant, powerless to fight back. These beasts that wreak havoc on my world is you. Violence runs through your veins, hidden deep in your DNA. The human race destroys this planet while remaining so detached from the devastation it causes. Now I wither away with the rest of nature. Soon you will understand my agony and beg for amnesty. But you shall suffer as I have, watching the world perish around you, incapable of halting the decay.